Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the farm name on the Heyday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my farm. I have house, chicken farm, bakery, and you can add different houses and others buildings. New, if you want to change the farm name, click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second button, the settings. Here you can find the second option in the second line. Click to the change farm name button, and actually I have the just ask name, and if you want to unalter, just delete, click the new, just type the new name, and if you don't, click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.